Hello everyone, I Divya from RPIIT campus welcomes you all on RPIIT Academics. Dear viewers, we discussed about many videos and in this video we will discuss about the large and small parts of the body. This video will be beneficial for all the students and the aspirants who are preparing for competitive exam. This type of questions has been asked in many exams about the largest organ, about the largest cell, smallest vein, smallest artery, largest part of the brain and many more. Hope this video will find you an easy method to learn this. So let's get started. The largest organ of the body in human beings, if we discuss, then the human beings have skin on the outer part of the body. This one is the largest part of the body. And if we talk about the internal part, then the liver is an organ which is the largest part. Now the next is the largest cell in the body. In case of males, neuron is the largest, and in case of females, ovum is the largest cell. Neuron is the cell of the brain and ovum is present in the ovaries, which is a reproductive part of females. The next is largest artery and veins. Arteries, you know, arteries are the vessels which carry oxygenated blood and veins are carrying deoxygenated blood. So, when aorta is the largest artery present in human beings and vena cava is the largest vein. While arteriole is the smallest and venules, which are the veins, is the smallest veins present in human body. The next is smallest cell. If we talk about males, then the smallest cell in the males is sperm. It is present in the reproductive part of the males, which is responsible for the reproduction. The next is the largest gland. The largest gland is liver. It is also an organ. And if we talk about the largest endocrine gland, just concentrate that if the question has been asked about the largest gland, it would be liver. But when the question has asked that which is the largest endocrine gland, then the answer would be thyroid gland. The smallest endocrine gland is pineal gland. And if we talk about the largest bone present in human beings is femur. This bone is also known as thigh bone and it is the largest bone. The next is the smallest bone. The smallest bone present in human beings is stapes. This bone is present in the ear here. This bone is present and it is the smallest bone, stapes. The next is the largest muscle. The largest muscle in human body is gluteus maximus. This muscle is present in the hip region where the intramuscular injectables are used. Moreover, the intramuscular injections are also used in deltoid muscle. It is present in upper region of our arm. This is our deltoid muscles and next is your gluteus muscles. This is the largest muscles which are present in hip region. The next is smallest muscle. The smallest muscle present in our body is stapedius. This muscle is also similar to the stapes. Stapes is the bone and stapedius is the muscle which is present in the ear. This is the smallest muscle which is present in human body. So it was all about small ones and the large organs present in human body. Dear viewers, in my next video, we will discuss more about our body and the smallest part and the largest organs present in the human beings. First is the largest part of brain. The largest part of the brain is cerebellum. It is the part of the brain which is responsible for many activities. Some of them are, it is responsible for the memory, intelligence, all are controlled by the cerebellum. The next is the smallest part. Smallest part of the brain is the midbrain. It is present in the middle of the brain and it is the smallest part. Other parts of the brain are forebrain, midbrain, cerebrum, cerebellum. They all are the parts of the brain. The next is largest joint. The largest joint present in human body is knee. It is present near the bone femur, and femur is the largest bone and also known as thigh bone. And the smallest joint is incudostapedial joint. It is present between the incus and the stapes bone. And in my previous video, I told you that the stapes is the smallest muscle which is present in the ear. The next is largest cell organelle. In the cell, many organelles are present like mitochondria, Golgi bodies, ribosomes, then nucleus, vacuoles, and many organelles are present. Among them, nucleus is the largest organelle, which consists of DNA, and DNA is the hereditary material. The next is largest vertebra. Lumbar is the largest vertebra present in human beings, and the smallest is the cervical. Cervical present in our thoracic region, and lumbar is present in the lower back of our body. It is present in the backbone. The next is largest chamber of the heart. In human heart, it is 4-chambered heart, and it consists of left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium, and left ventricle. Among them, left ventricle is the largest one, and smallest one is the left atrium. Atrium is the upper part. If it is on the left side, then it is the left atrium, and if it is on the right side, then it is right atrium. The next is the largest part of the gastrointestinal tract. In gastrointestinal tract, it starts from the mouth, as digestion starts from the mouth, then food pipe, liver, stomach, large intestine, then small intestine, anus, rectum. They all are involved in gastrointestinal tract, and the small intestine is the longest part of the gastrointestinal tract. There are two types of intestines. One is large intestine and small intestine. So dear students, don't get confused between large and small intestine. As the name specifies that the large intestine, and the students assume that it would be the longest part of the GI tract, but not. The largest one is, and the longest one is your small intestine. It is of 7 to 8 meters long in our body, and it plays a very important role in gastrointestinal tract. The next is longest and largest nerve of the body. Then the sciatic nerve is the longest and largest nerve present in human body. The next is the largest radial nerve, which is the vagus, which is known as the largest one, and trochlear nerve, it is known as the smaller nerve. So dear viewers, it was all about our body, the small one and the large one present in the human body. Hope this video will be benefited for you, and you can crack any questions regarding the body. So dear viewers, stay tuned, subscribe the channel, comment and like the video. Thank you and have a great day.